Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a refrigerator deep clean and organize. I am embarrassed at how bad my refrigerator got, but I'm just so glad that it is nice and clean now. There is just, as you can see, so much stuff in my refrigerator, so I thought it was time to get it nice and organized and wipe out areas of the refrigerator that were just disgusting. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you choose to, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chelsea. I am a mother of 3, and I am a wife to my husband named Josh, and so yeah, if you are into cleaning, cooking, organizing, motherhood, shopping hauls, then you're in the right place. So I hope you choose to hit that subscribe button and help me reach my goal of 500 subscribers. So anyways, I will stop talking and let you watch this video.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew.
As you can tell, we are a family of many sauces. We like sauce and we like particular ones to match with certain foods, and we're always trying new ones, so that adds up here in the door. And then also my dad makes homemade sauces, so if you see like a bunch of like mason jars with sauces or dressings in them, that is from him. So over time we just collect a whole bunch of sauces, and you'll see that in this video.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love?
As you can see, it has been a hot minute since this has been wiped out, and I didn't realize until like later on, after I pulled these drawers out, that there was a lot of something that had spilled. I'm not quite sure what it was. Kind of looked like chocolate milk or something underneath that bottom rack down there, and you'll see as I pull it out just what I'm talking about, but I won't get too ahead of the video. But that is why it looks so disgusting on that bottom one with like the glass that all the drinks were on. But I didn't realize that until later, so I kind of wasted my time scrubbing at it, but it would have been much simpler to pull the whole thing out, as I do at some point. A part of me knows that these racks pull out, but I never really thought to pull them out. Maybe I sound stupid for that, but now I know that they pull out very easily, and it's a lot easier to clean them that way.
Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So here's where I realized that there was that big mess and that I realized that I could pull this out. And you will get to see just how disgusting it was. There it is. I just poured some, like, right here I'm just like squeezing some warm water on it. So in my bowl, I had like a bowl that I was rinsing my rag out in, and this handy dandy brush, and it was just like hot water with some of my On Guard cleaning concentrate, and then I did add a little bit of like distilled white vinegar. I love to clean with vinegar. I think it just kills a lot of bacteria, and it's just a really good cleaner, and it's affordable and natural. And so anyways, yeah, so after I let it soak for maybe 5-10 minutes, I came back through and I was just able to wipe it out so easily, and now it looks 100% better. So underneath this glass, it was really bad. Like, as you can see in that white rim, the glass wasn't too hard to clean. It was just around the edges, but that white frame was really hard. There was just too tight of spaces to get at all, and I don't know how long that stain has been sitting there, but it was a little bit of a pain to get, and I couldn't quite get into the corners, like the really tight spots, even using the sponge or the rag or even the little handy dandy brush that I've got. Yeah, I could not get in there as much as I wanted to, but still in the end it looked so much better. Working on the door area, I just sprayed everything down real well and then wiped down with my rag.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all
see me try and pull these little shelves out. I know that they pull out, but I was having kind of a heck of a time trying to get it out, and I was too afraid to break it, so I just let it be and then cleaned it as best I could.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not want. Chasing all that we do not want. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we want. Chasing all that we don't want. Chasing all that we do not all the way back home.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
I've had this soda can organizer for a while. I just put it on top of my fridge, and I thought I was saving space by not having it in the refrigerator, but we use a lot of cans throughout the week, and so it has a bigger purpose than I realized it did, and so I put it back in the refrigerator. And I know you're only supposed to do like 2 rows of cans, but I have my big old leaning tower of cans there because we wanted them all in the refrigerator, and I made it work without them all completely crumbling down on me by taking one simple can out. And then I'm just organizing the rest of like the milk and half. My water container didn't fit, like my water pitcher didn't fit, but that's okay. I just put it on the counter, and it's all right. We just add some ice to our cup to make it cold, and then when we start clearing some stuff out of the way, then I'll be able to put it back in. But for now, it's on the counter. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, my refrigerator had a lot of stuff in it. So as you can see, I'm organizing it, but towards the end, it still looked so cluttered anyway because there is a lot in there. But it's definitely, like, in person, way more organized than it was. I can find things a whole lot easier, and they're not just scattered everywhere.
If you love me right, yeah. If you love me right, yeah. This could be the summer of our lives.
there was a lot of trial and error putting these shelves together. I was trying to have some sort of flow to it, like having like the condiments and hot sauces and like taco sauces up top, and then just having like the vinegars and the salad dressings on the bottom. But I do move things around quite a bit, and in the end I was able to make it work, and it does look so much better than it was. And I was able to throw away some stuff as well, so that was nice to kind of clear some of the stuff that didn't belong in there out, and it created a little bit more room, not a ton, because as I said before, we are a family of sauces. And after watching this, I definitely had some thinking to do about buying any more sauces for a while. I think we need to use up what we've got, so I'm happy with the way it turned out. So here's all that I have to throw away, not too much. Just some stuff that's expired, leftovers that no one's gonna eat, and then just like a couple things that we just didn't really like. So yeah, that's all the trash. So I bought these mason jars to store something, and I didn't end up using them, so I was going to take them back, but then one of the kids decided to rip them open, so I figured I won't take them back. But all those fruits that are in the fridge that I need to still wash and prep and all that, I'm thinking that I'll wash these. Avery's bagel's ready. I'm thinking that I'll wash these and then put the fruits in these jars, and it will just save a whole bunch of room in there, because even though it's all organized now, there's just so much stuff that it's just cram-packed. So I think that this will condense down and create some more space. And then I've heard that fruits like store better in mason jars, so hopefully that's true, because they go bad so fast. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a
The outside of this refrigerator had gotten so out of hand. I'm sure you've seen it in previous videos of mine. There's just so much clutter and so much stuff on it that I figured I was doing the inside, so why not do the outside too? Also, a little, thing that I've always kept in mind too is I heard a long time ago that the handle of your refrigerator is one of the dirtiest places in your house. And I mean, it makes sense, kind of like when they say like your cell phone is extremely dirty, because we're always grabbing it, and most of the time it's before washing our hands. So I really wanted to give that a nice scrub down. And then just the outside of the refrigerator had gotten so dirty from stuff splashing, stickers on it, and handprints, the whole thing. So yeah, I am so glad that I decluttered and wiped down the outside of my fridge as well, because it brought a whole new refreshing look to the kitchen.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been